Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video. Got my new Qidi X Max3 in today. I want to do a quick video. It came packaged really good. A lot of foam in it. It was wrapped in a plastic bag. Then it had shrink wrap under that. Packaged really good. Everything looks in good shape. This was on top. This was on top. Thick foam. Thick styrofoam. Everything looks good, nothing damaged, packaged very well. Here's the top lid. Top lid's covered with plastic, not damaged at all. All the stuff I see inside, everything's protected well. As other videos I have seen on unboxing, looks like they do a real good job of packaging. Front door has plastic on it also, so it won't get damaged. So far everything looks good. Haven't dug into it much yet, just got it, so probably do another video showing getting it all set up and trying to get printing with it. Thanks for watching.